My name is Ben Booth, and I am part of the Expedition Offroad Overland team. Our team is working on a documentary of our adventures as we circumnavigate the great state of Utah, traveling over 1,000 miles in a convoy of overland vehicles. This documentary will showcase Utah from a unique perspective not typically seen. This journey will capture a modern tale of the West as our cameras discover the unique history and the vast terrain of Utah. Our mission is to explore and document the less traveled regions as we promote responsible land use. Our vision is to utilize this documentary to encourage stewardship in open spaces and promote sensible management of our natural resources. Our goals are to accomplish our journey, complete the documentary, promote Utah, and invoke a sense of responsibility in current and future generations.